malake niam ya kamal kanwer online kajen gwasme bana right ke kwi warga ka mishagora ke BNFA mishale BNFA community ki chere ke man nuari dial wimon la dun community ka te warga mishagor gwam mi guyen dial warga mishagor chala do warga m gwarje ke kwi ko ramkel ka mishale honorable jene honorable lo los keje shal keje los keje chala do jendera apologise chala honorable Peter Lam Both and honorable Peter Lam Both wajen charwach gwada chala kwan jok charwaja jeka kwinwari kwaje le goro no wajen dera apologise do of dera apologise keje wajen chelar nene according to the letter here man chagor ajeneto nueri mishi ono kimshi togo nyenye ka jang wa ngomba ji gor bigi nyen ka jang kamichi Dr. Ngma charo mishi ben bo lo nyenye ka jang bo bigi burar ka kemne dial bigi nyen ka ngane ka jang ba chagolo lar na ma washi tok nueri wa ken a community menong na mal a community menong mal a shi community menong na kor en me tok me dan ka ron kin daru wel diok chi kene toga ne te terwesha aka shi tok Dr. Ngma charba wa toga kum marwe jen poinde wajen to go to banat banwere bakane kone chakula lar gwas me go to wajen dere apologize ki dere laro to che dwer chelat jen warga chagor BNFA community ki Nuer community ndanen goro de Nuer de ga shanka malwi mon warga manager kwen gwamana cha lar nene garje date 20 March 2023. First and most, I would like to greeting you all, especially in your community in worldwide. Shagore condemnation letter for the hate speech of Honorable Peter Lam Both in Kwajok against the Nuer community, and it is very surprising and unacceptable and a shame to the SPLM Secretary General for mentioning Nuer community name in his political ally because no reason, and there's difference between Nuer community and politics. Honorable Lam start say that the Nuer community are follow the people. If you declare war against Dinka and they come out from enemies to fight Dinka, and if Dr. Machar declare war against Dinka, all they follow him. Lambo is lies to the public. Nuer community are peaceful people in the South Sudan. The war of 2013 declared by regime, not Nuer and not Dr. Machar. In the short form, we condemn that speech against community in strong terms. That concept for using community name on political issues, I call him immediately that Honorable Peter Lam to apologize to Nuer community and the public in general, because always the person do mistake and person to accept on mistake. Chairman of BNFA community in Sudan, John Galot Madem. En wargam gor chairman ke BNFA Michelle John Galut Madang ajara madanan chi wargam gor ko de honorable Menchiria laro to Nuer kana gure neti nyin ke jang ke Dinka Honorable Peter Lam Both wa jendera apologize chala da jen chairman dung BNFA community ke Nuer community leader Michelle John Galut Madang muguri je body reach out ke je ke de ro ke je cha email cha gwar pin go men mobile number de je go men be men nong nial cha gor go men Chalele Galut Madeng at gmail.com ke mobile number 0918057715 kemudodien 09290039992 muguri je de right ke jangwa sama de shu gor de yor ke kijin ba de shu goro to bi gar message ko bi right ke wargam mi sha gor muguri je bi je bi shu gor na to je roja danen chalat muguri abden tungwan ke kwit kon butore nuare ke jangwa sama to banungo yekan wor online goro jin subscribe ke bi notification dan and day message kula mala chupkaji bi shu gwarech jen la danen gore di yan lat ke jen gwasame biat kamal na me BNFA community message den chairman ke kwere danen roi ke kanwer dialato jen goro de Honorable Peter Lam Both dara apologize ke dara dorde yalar biat kamal nono